Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I make this video for my friend Amber to show her how to make pasta noodles in the wok. She now makes a whole batch and store them for the use over the week. The wok turned out to be great for making pasta noodles, if not the best. Here a wok cover is pretty handy. The best thing about pasta noodles in a wok is that the pasta noodle fits perfectly across the surface of the wok. With the large opening, you don't have to worry about bending the pasta noodles at all. And the capacity of the wok is also quite amazing. Here I actually have 2 pounds of pasta noodles. Another great thing about doing this is that because of the wide mouth of the wok, you don't have to worry about water boiling over. And make sure you get a pair of long handled tongs. It's very handy for stirring the pasta noodles. As you can see, there are a lot of pasta noodles and it is filling up in the wok. For the angel hair pasta, I'm only cooked them for a little bit over 3 minutes. I want it to be al dente because I can use them in different capacity. Next, I pick up the noodle and put it into a large bowl of water. This will stop the pasta from cooking any further. I have a supersized colander. This turned out to be very handy. Next, I take the entire colander over to the sink and drain the water. I fill the colander with cold water again and I rinse it a couple more times. I use this method to boil many different kinds of noodles, such as rice noodles, Chinese egg noodles, and Korean sweet potato noodles. I remove the colander from the bowl and I put it on the kitchen counter and drain the excess fluid on a paper towel. I then distribute the noodles into 2.9 cup Rubbermaid storage container. I do not add any soil or cooking oil to them because I do not want to change their flavor. In this demonstration, I use my Imusa 14-inch light cast iron wok. Pouring water in this type of wok tends to remove the seasonings. However, cleaning the wok is very simple. When you dry the wok, if the appearance of the wok looks dull, I will wipe it with a thin layer of oil. This will prevent the wok from rusting. Next time when you use the wok, use my spot seasoning method. It will restore its non-stick properties. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time.